Welcome back to the channel. We are in the Philippines today. There's a few boat tours you can do, so we're going to do boat tour A today. We're going to be going from one of the boats over there and we're going to be going out and seeing all there is in El Nido. So I'm buzzing for this today, I can't wait, and let's go. So we're currently making our way out to the Big Lagoon, which is where we're starting. I can't wait to see this and get the drone up for a few shots. And we rent kayaks here and we go around the place as well, so there should be plenty to do.
So we're just going into the Big Lagoon now and doing all the work.
We have Emma Louise now here with a backflip attempt in front of all the boats. Braver than I am. Do it! Do it! Quick! No. We just finished in the Big Lagoon there and we're on the way now to the Secret Lagoon, so this should be interesting. So we're on our way now into the Secret Lagoon. Literally can't even move.
This is the Secret Lagoon.
We're on the way to lunch now, so this is lovely. The scenery is unbelievable. We just got off our boat here and now we're going to have lunch very soon, and there it looks like there's a nice selection anyway. So we have arrived on 7 Commando Beach. The local legend goes, and not actually confirmed by anyone, that during the Second World War submarines sank and 7 Japanese men, they sought refuge on the beach here anyway. So yeah, we're going to chill here for an hour or so, and this is the last stop on our tour. We're going to go and catch the boat back to El Nido town where we've been staying. Keep an eye on the channel, we're probably going to do another one of these boat trips soon. Stay tuned, keep an eye out, and we'll see you again in the Philippines for some more content.